How's everybody doing? Apologize I haven't got a video out for a little bit. Been super busy. Kids graduating from high school, graduation parties, summer full on. So I wanted to give you guys an update. I've shot some videos back in since my last post, which was May, I think like May 15th, May 17th, somewhere right in there. Since then, I've done quite a bit of different things for the lawn, so I'm gonna kind of take you through. I've been journaling everything that I've been doing, but just to kind of recap, in May, during spring when we were getting the heavy rains, we took the time to put down GrubX. We did RGS on the entire lawn, 1801 Green Punch, just on the front lawn, about 3 ounces per 1,000. May 17th I did an 002 Green Punch, 6 ounces per 1,000. That was getting ready for the graduation party that we had at the end of May, June, I think it was May 30th, June 1st. I'll show you some videos kind of the lawn and you know, kind of what that looked like leading up to the party. And then right before the party, I went back in with 1801 Green Punch just to give it a little bit of nitrogen about 5 days prior to the party happening, just trying to see if I could get the grass to kind of pop. I've had a ton of success. The Bermuda's in great shape, you know, from May going into June, and really had a nice thick lawn. The only downside is my grass was growing so fast. I wasn't and I was mowing it about every 4 days, and realistically, with as fast as it was growing, with the amount of rain we were getting, I was getting some scalping. So as you can probably see from this video here, I have kind of everything set up for the party, and the grass is actually super healthy, but you can definitely see quite a bit of scalping from the mower. At the time I was cutting it at about 1 inch, maybe just a hair over 1 inch. And since then, kind of looking back at how fast the grass is growing and how much time I've had to mow, I've actually bumped the mower up. I'm really cutting probably closer to 1 1/4, 1 1/2, right in there with the mower. So, but the good news is I'm pretty weed free, with the exception of some spots where, you know, I just have some, you know, regular weeds that are coming up. My pre-emergent that I put down early spring has done a great job, and I'm really pleased with the results I've got from all the different products I'm using, and kind of the combination I'm using in. If you remember back early May, I put down CarbonX. I think I put CarbonX down on first application on the backyard was May 2nd, and I put that down at 3 pounds per 1,000 on the back. So really got a really good green punch from that. So that's a quick update for May, and then June. That basically, you know, we'll have some great success with that as well. So enjoy some of the footage of the lawn. I still have some trouble spots out there in the front. The Bermuda is definitely filling in, but it's taking a lot longer because the tree is kind of covering up or shading a lot of the grass, so the Bermuda is just not growing as quickly into there, and so it's slowly filling in, but something I'm definitely going to have to continue to work on. Anyway, enjoy the footage, and we'll catch you up again soon. Thanks.